Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is what we are doing today. Yeah, we are doing this gorgeous design here. But before we get into today's video, this is what we did on the previous episode. So if you've not seen it, I'll leave the link in the description box and let's get into the video. Yeah, and all the materials used will be in the description box as well, so you can check them out after the video. And if you need any of the materials, link to my Instagram will be in the description box as well, so you can send me a DM and I'll send it to you. And yeah, if you need this very design too, let me know so that I can like send it to you. No, sell like at a small fee, Yeah, and I'm also still on the giveaway, so yeah, if you want me to do a giveaway, like give this particular design away, then let's get this video to 50 likes. I've reduced it from 100 to 50, so let's get it to 50 likes and I will surely give it to one lucky subscriber. And yeah, if you do enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next DIY is uploaded. Now we are moving a bit from the bead to DIY. We are doing 30 different amazing wall designs that will bust your mind. This is the second one, so you can imagine what the other 28 is going to be. So not to miss out on anything, don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the video. So this is how it looks like at the end. I went ahead to do one more off camera, and I really like how it turned out. It's really nice, very simple. So you can get a set of 3 for a small fee. If you want me to do this set for you, let me know in my DM, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next DIY. Bye.